I'm very happy to be over here. Learn from you guys and probably get some secrets also out as well.
अरे सीक्रेट्स पे तो तुमको बुलाया हमने आज, ये क्या लर्न फ्रॉम योर गाइड?
See, sharing is caring. तो 50,000 रुपीज इज नेवर सफिशिएंट थिंग फॉर मी. और आज की डेट में आई ऑल्सो बिलीव कि यार आज मिल रहा है तो उठाओ.
ये भी खबर सुनने में आई है कि आप अपना हैंडल चेंज करने वाले एवरी पैसा मैटर्स से एवरी पॉइंट मैटर्स.
Soon enough.
सेकंड है जो आपका फेवरेट है, जो मैं बोलूँ मतलब स्केपिया, लाइक जो अमित इज
यहाँ पे बिरयानी इवेंजलिस्ट, थाईलैंड इवेंजलिस्ट, स्केपिया इवेंजलिस्ट.
फॉरेक्स पे टिल जून इट इज देयर. इट इज गिविंग यू 0 फॉरेक्स एंड 4% रिवॉर्ड. कोई भी और कार्ड ये रिवॉर्ड नहीं दे रहा.
25 दिन में पैसा डबल. I have become a fan of HSBC banking. Somebody else came, they asked me for my documents. I did not fill any form. They filled it, they signed it. By the time I finished interacting with my RM, the DDs were ready, they were given to me in my hand.
Up until a few years back, nobody used to buy membership. Last 2 साल में Accor की Explode Plus membership exploded, right? So the benefit that you're talking about it, let it be underrated.
Lights flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow. All aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles show. Zero to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.
Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Points and Miles show. This is your host Adil Bandukwala. We're back with a very exciting episode. Now, a lot of you tuned in to 3 incredible episodes. Our views are doing really well. Your comments are the proof, and the Great Indian Lounge, which is our Discord community, is buzzing. You all said you all loved the Axis, HDFC and the Amex 2026 strategy episodes that we did, and you all enjoyed it a lot. And a lot of you asked, HSBC कब आ रहा है? The answer is आ गया. आज आ गया है HSBC, and we're going to welcome you to this HSBC special for 2026. With me for this HSBC special are 2 very special guests. One, there is a guy called Adarniya Dhiman ji, who pushed me to get the premiere along with a couple of people, and उनका स्वागत करते हैं. क्या हाल है धीमन? Welcome to the pod.
all good, all good. I think people on Discord after the first 3 episodes are tagging me and saying कि ICICI का एपिसोड करो, ICICI का एपिसोड करो. तो बोला ICICI तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन we are doing something else.
क्यों नहीं होगा? तुम्हारा फेवरेट कार्ड है, करो उसके साथ.
अच्छा, चलो शुरू करते हैं ICICI का एपिसोड और चलो खत्म करते हैं ICICI का एपिसोड. वही एपिसोड होगा और क्या होगा.
अब तो तुमसे करवाऊंगा मैं. अब तो आई विल मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि तुमसे करवाना है.
रील बना लेंगे.
Cool. With that, we also have a surprise and a very fun guest. He's been a friend of the pod. He runs his own channel, which is called Every Paisa Matters. If you're looking for a deal hunter, this is the guy. If you've been following him on Instagram, on YouTube, he is the guy for all things credit cards. And if you enjoy cashbacks, there's no better person than EPM. I'm not talking about the Emerald Private Metal. I am talking about Every Paisa Matters. Amit, welcome to the pod. Thank you so much for joining this very special episode of HSBC on the Great Indian Points and Miles show.
Thank you for the invite, and I'm equally delighted. This show has been a hit, right? So I think I'm very happy to be over here. Learn from you guys and probably get some secrets also out as well.
अरे secrets पे तो तुमको बुलाया हमने आज. ये क्या learn from your guide?
See, sharing is caring. You never know when we'll let the bell out of
मैंने
the...
बोला है कि बुलाते हैं अमित को और निकालते हैं जो भी secrets है और दिखाते हैं हमारे followers को, ताकि all of everyone who's in the HSBC ecosystem should benefit.
So they should really get hitched onto this, and they should really watch it carefully, क्योंकि क्या पता कब कहाँ पे कौन सा सीक्रेट निकल जाए.
5% 10% बन जाएगा और कब 10% 15% बन जाएगा.
Also devaluation, क्या पता कल हो ना हो. So अपना सिंपल saying है,
बाकी सब
आज मिल रहा है ले लो.
But no, he's not gonna say anything because इसकी भविष्यवाणी 2026 में
हाँ.
सब सही जा रही है.
ये बोलता है तो डिवैल्यू हो जाता है.
एक वो बंदा है जो आप अभी पूछ रहे थे मेरे को एपिसोड के पहले, जो हर पॉडकास्ट के ऊपर रिप्लाई करता है सब कमेंट, तुम्हारे वजह से ये कार्ड बंद हो गया, तुम्हारे वजह से ये कार्ड बंद हो गया, और वो डर रहे कि ऐसा कोई कार्ड ना चूज कर ले. सो वी विल नेवर मेक अ एपिसोड ऑन एसबीआई कैशबैक. ठीक है, वो चलने दो.
तो तुम्हारी फेवरेट बैंक की बहुत याद आ रही है आज.
द किंग ऑफ
आप अप्लाई करने वाले हो कुछ भी? Cool. तो शुरू करते हैं. So guys, today the intent is to uncover what HSBC has to unpack in the form of credit cards. And today there are very interesting cards that we'll talk about. So we will start with the travel one. We will talk about the Premier. We will also talk a little bit about the HSBC Taj credit card. We covered that in our recent special that a few of you have seen. But we will add some exciting flavors to what additionally you can unpack from that card, what that card is good for. And we will also talk a little bit about a very, very underrated card, which is not a credit card. It's a debit card. And that debit card is pretty phenomenal. And we've got two gurus who are going to unpack a lot of the secrets. तो शुरू करते हैं उसके साथ. अमित, आप बताओ, आपसे शुरू करते हैं. What is your HSBC stack today? आप क्या यूज करते हो, क्यों यूज करते हो, उसके फंडामेंटल्स बता दो, आपके फेवरेट्स बता दो. We'll keep it very informal and we'll keep talking over the next hour or two.
So I started my HSBC journey by taking the Premier account, okay, and with Premier account I got the debit card with it, ठीक है, and at the same time I had the option to apply for the HSBC Premier credit card, and I think by luck or by God grace that card was booming at that time. उसका काफी अच्छा revaluation हो रहा था, so I took the Premier along with that. So Premier credit card is quite well known for the reward that it offers on hotels and flights.
Correct.
Especially जो renowned, very popular Accor part है, वहाँ पे double हमारा amount हो रहा है. So it kind of gives you the value that no other card in the market is currently giving.
Correct.
Then I also took HSBC Travel One, which is a question a lot of people ask to say कि यार आपके पास Premier already है, why did you take Travel One? And what I want to say is, जैसे MX का trifecta था, we had the Gold Charge, we had the MRCC, and we had the Platinum card, Platinum Travel card. Similarly, the HSBC is actually also a trifecta depending upon आप कहाँ पे कितना use कर रहे हो. So the debit card is an amazing card, like you introduced it. It is a 5% cashback card. Online, offline, many places you can get 5% real cashback in your account. The HSBC Premier card, very good for hotels, flights, and in fact, उसके अंदर जो 1 lakh rupees का you initially spend the amount, you can spend everywhere except for fuel. You get the amount back on that. You get the base rewards on that. And then the Travel One is for those who cannot get Premier, or if you have spends on your travel higher than that, then the Travel One is the ultimate card. Again, it is one of the best card, and I think it also came at the right time, given that Atlas got devalued. So that is my stack as of now. I have got 3 premium cards. Taj वाला मैंने episode देखा था, उसका जब you revealed the number and you beeped that number, right? Maybe one day, you never know, right? You need to find the value from the card.
For sure, for sure. So Abhi, beautifully summarized as an intro, Amit. So आप क्या कह रहे हो? Basically, for the Premier, the base reward rate is 3%. And then you're saying for those of you who use it on hotels, there is a 6x multiplier, so you get 18%. But then if you use it on hotels, there's a 12x multiplier, so you get 36%. Correct?
So 3 is the base. For flights, it is 6x, which is it is 18%, and for hotels, it is 36%, 12x.
12x. Correct. Now, what you also said is the karta dharta of our hotel ecosystem, Accor, has disappeared from Axis. Therefore, there is leverage that HSBC is sitting on, and the leverage is twofold. One, there is nobody else in this ecosystem prominently that's giving you Accor, so this becomes a very lucrative card. Also, you're saying that because Accor is currently at 2 rupees per point, then your 36 becomes 72 and your 18% becomes 36%, right? So those numbers are crazy. This is the Premier. Second, you said a very important thing कि जो debit card है, the Premier debit card, इस पे आपको 5% cashback मिलता है across transactions. There are exclusions which people can go read the website and figure that out. So that is standard. Certain exclusions will apply. But is there a limit to this cashback? Is my question per month.
So HSBC Premier debit card में the amount that you get as a cashback is actually 2x of the salary that gets credited. उसका
Net
आपको
salary.
5%. So 3 लाख रुपीस हम मानते हैं बेस सैलरी है, ठीक है. So 3 लाख का डबल हो गया आपका 6 लाख रुपीस. इसका जो आपका 5% बन के आता है, right? That is the maximum cashback that you can
So
earn in a
30,000
month.
rupees.
30,000 rupees is what you can get in a month on the debit card, which is amazing.
मतलब कोई अगर किसी के पास मैग्नस बर्गंडी नहीं है, 6 लाख की गाड़ी लेना इज नॉट अ बैड आइडिया विद like this
Premier debit.
debit card,
Premier
yeah,
debit
because
card.
that's not a bad hack at all. The
But
one
एक minute, just to clarify our viewers again, this is cashback. These are not reward points.
Yes.
दो
It cannot be
महीने के
converted into
बाद,
Accor. Yeah, they cannot be converted to
They
Accor,
cannot
yeah.
be converted to anything. ये 2 महीने बाद आपके स्टेटमेंट क्रेडिट में आ जाएगा. Correct?
Correct.
लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ये भी है कि एंड अगेन करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल tagged us and asked this question also. I think the salary criteria has to be an official HSBC credit in your account. So your account has to be tagged as a salary account by HSBC. So before you spend, I think you will have to get that checked, because a lot of people who put their salaries inside their account and it doesn't get tagged as salary, that salary doesn't work as a salary
अगर
account.
salary tag नहीं होगा, then they will be charged the premier fees, no?
No, I'm saying even if you don't have the Premier credit card, I'm talking about the debit card.
अच्छा, okay, अच्छा,
So
understood.
even if you have
understood.
a debit card and if you inputting it's happened with me. So when I had my Premier account, my salary coming, it was not tagged as a salary account.
अच्छा.
And I did not get the cashback.
Yeah,
so
that
that's
is
one
important.
thing very important.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि तुमने स्पेंड क्यों किया?
क्या spend क्यों किया? अरे वो था कुछ reason, मतलब
अच्छा.
that बाद में
क्योंकि
बताएंगे. लेकिन.
हमारे धीमन साहब ऐसे तो
I,
नहीं
no,
स्पेंड नहीं करते.
I did it to test that whether it works or
अच्छा,
not.
अच्छा.
So that if it works, then we could make some content
ठीक है,
around it.
ठीक
That's
है,
why I
ठीक है,
did.
ठीक है.
But there is one important aspect on this debit card also.
हाँ.
ये सिर्फ HSBC के प्रीमियर डेबिट कार्ड पे नहीं है. If you have a salary
Yeah,
account
exactly.
and you have
Only
any
on that.
debit card
हाँ.
of HSBC, this 5% cashback is applicable on that as well. Right?
Oh.
But he's right. Like आपका अकाउंट जो है वो टैग होना चाहिए. मतलब सैलरी क्रेडिट जब आपकी हो जाएगी, after that you can use your debit card for that. So like it's for those who do not have that high income, लेकिन उनके पास HSBC का अकाउंट है, still they can get 5% cashback. And we all
Yeah.
know बहुत कम मार्केट में कार्ड्स हैं जो 5% कैशबैक दे रहे हैं. इफ यू आर अ कैशबैक गाय.
Plus
So,
I- yeah.
मैं sorry.
No, go ahead, please.
So मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है अमित, और ये काफी आपके भी फॉलोअर्स आपको पूछ चुके हैं. इंडिया वांट्स टू नो, द नेशन वांट्स टू नो. आपके पास प्रीमियर है, आपके पास प्रीमियर डेबिट कार्ड भी है,
Travel
तो
with
फिर
you.
ट्रैवल वन क्यों?
हाँ, सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जो कार्ड्स हमने लिए हैं इनकी लिमिट्स है कि कितने रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट्स हम अर्न कर सकते हैं.
हाँ
एंड
जी.
व्हेन अ कार्ड इज गिविंग यू एज हाई एज 36% का रिवॉर्ड,
करेक्ट.
तो 50,000 के अगर आपने होटल बुक किए तो
हो
वो
गया.
आपकी लिमिट खत्म हो गई.
Correct.
नाउ आई एम अ गाय हु इज यूजुअली गोइंग आउट विद माय फैमिली, विद माय एक्सटेंडेड
जी.
फैमिली.
हाँ जी.
तो 50,000 में अगर आप 10 दिन की वेकेशन करने जा रहे हो, यू नो आदिल, राइट, लाइक इट्स नॉट गोना सफाइस, राइट?
correct.
So if I'm using my money to,
Revenue bookings.
revenue booking अगर मैं कर रहा हूँ, then I'm gonna run out of that.
Correct.
Right? My strategy usually is to book the hotels on revenue and use those reward points to book the flights. Right? तो वो मैं strategy use करता हूँ. तो 50,000 rupees is never sufficient thing for me. और आज की डेट में I also believe कि यार आज मिल रहा है तो उठाओ.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है?
100%. Too
दिल
beautifully said.
जीत लिया.
सेम.
ये
अपन
भी
यही बोलते हैं, जो मिल रहा है आने दो.
ये भी खबर सुनने में आई है कि आप अपना हैंडल चेंज करने वाले एवरी पैसा मैटर्स से एवरी पॉइंट मैटर्स.
Soon enough, we will try to talk upon that point because हमने एक और का किया था ना. It is a very important point. But talking about the HSBC 12-1 story. So अगर मेरे पास अभी मुझे foreseeable इस ईयर के अंदर मेरे पास रेवेन्यू बुकिंग मुझे करनी है and they're gonna go past 50,000 rupees, then Travel One is the next best card which is there. 24% मुझे दे रहा है वहां पे. Now again there is a question कि यार मेरे पास already HDFC का Infinia भी है, 33% मिल रहा है. बट यहाँ पे इफ माई स्ट्रैटेजी हैज बीन विद द पीपल आई एम गोइंग, मैं उनको भी थोड़ा सा सिखा रहा हूँ कि कैसे है. सो Accor इज द अगेन डिफैक्टो स्टैंडर्ड.
फिर डबल हो जाता है ना.
डबल हो जाता है. 2.15 इस टाइम पे चल रहा है. तो वो सामने क्लियरली नजर आता है. Although, if I be really honest, the strategy that you guys really have been talking about points, अगर points को use करते हो तो value 3, 4, 5 times पहुंच जाती है, right? That also I have used, but again, सामने नजर आ रहा है, simply है. And the other thing I believe, Adil, is if I am somebody who is, talking about this card and asking people to use it, I should myself also see उसके positive और negative क्या है. तो कुछ cards मैं इसलिए भी लेता हूँ कि मुझे इसके pros and cons पता लग सके, so that we are genuinely telling people क्या फायदा है या क्या नुकसान है.
बट आप जो बोल रहे हो ना, मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छा डायलॉग याद आया. वो अक्षय कुमार बोलता है ना कोई पिक्चर में, 25 दिन में पैसा डबल.
तो पहले करके देखो,
like when you said travel one, अगर अखबार मूव कर रहे हो तो genuinely डबल हो रहा है.
बट मैं आपको एक बहुत और चीज बताता हूँ. लेट मी टॉक अबाउट द वेरी फैक्ट व्हाई आई एक्चुअली टुक ट्रेवल वन. दिस इज वन पार्ट. द सेकंड पार्ट इज माय सन इज करंटली स्टडीइंग इन लंदन. ओके,
अच्छा.
सो फॉरेक्स पे टिल जून इट इज देयर. It is giving you 0 forex and 4% reward. Okay, this card will give you 8 point something % in Accor terms on forex spend. So if you get the card, you get an add-on. कोई भी और कार्ड ये रिवॉर्ड नहीं दे रहा unless आप AEP में मैग्नस बर्गंडी में जाते हो.
चिल्ला के सबको स्कीम बता दो. No, but I'll tell you one thing, a very important question. How many credit cards at HSBC let you hold? So is it easy to get a second credit card, or like did you face any difficulty of getting this HSBC trial one because you had the Premier?
So the HSBC has a cooling period of 6 months.
Okay.
So if you have taken a credit card, after 6 months you can apply for another credit card.
Sure.
That is the only criteria that I have come to know. मैंने तीसरा कार्ड अप्लाई करने की कोशिश नहीं करी. I mean, HSBC Live One has been on my Live Plus has been on my radar just to test out, because a lot of people ask for, and it's a good cashback card for groceries, etc. 10% दे रहा है. I may try it in the future, but otherwise मैंने ये सुना नहीं है कि HSBC has any criteria about कितने कार्ड देगा. 6 months cooling period is the only thing.
The honorable mentions I would say is the Live Plus and the Platinum card. I think both are very understood cards. The reason why I like Platinum also sometimes is because Platinum has a conversion option to Accor for a card of 499 or 999 rupees or free almost. उस कोई भी ऐसा सेगमेंट नहीं है जहां पे इट अलाउज यू टू मूव टू Accor, राइट? सो यू कैन मूव HSBC Platinum कार्ड टू Accor, राइट? सो फॉर पीपल हु आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग एंड दे लाइक, काफी आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऐसे, राइट, कि मैं अगर जस्ट पहला कार्ड है मेरा, तो मिलेनिया लेना से बेटर हो सकता है कि तुम वो कार्ड ले लो HDFC मिलेनिया से, इफ इट इज सर्विसेबल.
A millennia, otherwise you have been probably the torch bearer for Regalia Gold, right?
Absolutely. I love that
And
card.
then,
but Regalia card also, I still feel 1.5 lakh is a little too much for a lot of people to still get it as their first card, because they, I think between 1.25 to 1.5, they just about give you that card.
मेरे को लगता है ट्रैवल वन ही ले लो उससे अच्छा. It's so much more easier to get. तामझाम नहीं है, headache नहीं है.
But in certain cases, Regalia Gold stands above Travel One in certain cases because of it has a milestone. It has got that now that boarding pass as a new. So it's a more all-rounded card. Plus, you're forgetting the fact that HDFC nationwide मिलेगा, HSBC नहीं मिलेगा. The number of cities that they are present in is a big issue.
That is a challenge for sure. Yeah, but I see, like, I've become a fan of HSBC banking. Like, normally, right, for some reason, I have never been lucky with a good RM. Until maybe 3 years back, I never had RM. No bank ever gave me an RM for whatever reason. Axis का RM कुछ खास होता नहीं है. Let me just go out on a limb and say that. And when I got the Premier, when I was signing up for the card, I was asking my RM, why should I take it, what should I not take it? He said, sir, if you're expecting me to call you on a regular basis, please don't apply. My job is not to call you, I will never call you. आपको जब जरूरत पड़ेगी, आप WhatsApp कर दीजिए, phone कर दीजिए, mail कर दीजिए. That is when I will answer your questions. I will answer any questions you have. But मैं आपको कभी call नहीं करने वाला. Now, whatever RMs that I had, I've had an RM with HDFC and I've had an RM with Axis. These are the only 2 RMs I've had. They've always tried selling me loans. They've always tried selling me insurance. Some ULIP, mutual fund कर लो. Sir, month end है, थोड़े पैसे डाल दो. भाई, like, that's not why I have this relationship with you. Now with HSBC particularly, I needed something and I had a transaction that I had to do. So for which I needed a couple of DDs. So I called this guy and I said, यार ये DD करना है या ऑनलाइन ट्रांसफर करूँ, क्या करूँ, whatever. Said, no problem, आप जब भी आ सकते हो आ जाओ, या मैं घर भेज देता हूँ. घर भेज दोगे, ये अच्छा है यार, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. कैसे भेजोगे? नहीं, मेरा आदमी आके देके जाएगा. Said, I'll do one thing. I have a meeting on MG Road. I'm meeting a customer, so I'm going to be there tomorrow anyways at 10 o'clock in the morning. Do you have a few minutes? Can I come? He's like, yeah, come. So when I went there, For the first time in life, I didn't have to go to the counter, fill a form and a request. I went there, एक HSBC Premier lounge है. You go into the lounge and sit. As soon as they see you, sir, Mr. Bandukwala, yes, we've been expecting you, please sit. RM आ गया 2 मिनट के अंदर. He's like, I've already called my colleague. क्या लेंगे आप? मेरे को पता है, I like the chai and they have a milkshake. I told you about there. I said, यार वो चाय पिला दो, बहुत अच्छी होती है आपकी. So the chai came. Somebody else came. They asked me for my documents. I gave them documents. I did not fill any form. They filled it. They signed it. By the time I finished interacting with my RM, the DDs were ready. They were given to me in my hand. Now that is good experience for me.
But I want to give a fair disclaimer to the camera.
हाँ जी.
मैं हर बार तुम्हारी ये स्टोरी सुन के मैं कोशिश करता हूँ ये सब चीजें. डोंट ट्राई दिस एट होम. ये मेरे साथ नहीं होता. ये आदमी प्लैटिनम है, इसके स्टेटस प्लैटिनम नहीं है. मैं बता रहा हूँ तुमको.
तो भाई मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये genuine
No,
use case है
I'm
यार.
just kidding. No, but I agree. I think I don't know about your experience. My experience with HSBC Premier Banking in general has been good. Minus the fact that I feel that they need a little bit work on tech, on their
Well, it's
app
okay.
and all
I'm
that.
telling
But
you, you know, like I
Yeah.
used to, because of Magnus Burgundy. So earlier I was in HDFC, but because of Magnus Burgundy, I moved everything to Axis and I made them my banker. Now I moved everything to HSBC and make them my banker. The only thing missing there is a stock trading platform.
Yeah.
An investment platform, which they sure they have mutual funds, but I feel like if I want to liquidate real quick, it's not as friendly as Zerodha or something like that. But they're working on the tech.
Yeah.
And I am told in January they will launch next year.
Yeah.
So I have moved everything there simply because I have a very high degree of trust with the HSBC people now, and I know that I'll be looked after well. मतलब मेरे को जाके क्यों मैं नहीं करना, and they made life very easy for me.
I think वो ये भी है कि if I'm not mistaken, let's just clarify it for the जनता that HSBC Premier लेने के 2 तरीके हैं.
हाँ जी.
एक है the TRV route and एक है the salary route. Salary,
Yes.
like Amit said, is 3 lakh minimum that you need to put
Yeah.
from your bank, from your company.
Yeah.
You are eligible for the HSBC Premier card. Now,
Yeah.
the HSBC Premier card that comes with salary comes with a certain set of features
Correct.
that is available to everybody.
Correct.
For example, you do not get any cab transfers with the salary route.
Correct.
But there's another route which is called the TRV route.
Correct.
Now there were rumors that they made it 50 lakhs.
It is 50 lakhs.
It is,
It is
yeah.
50
So
lakhs, yes.
they made it 50 lakhs. Now I got it when it was 40 lakhs.
हाँ.
So you can, that 40 lakhs can be.
Platinum मेरे को बोल रहे हो 10 लाख का डिस्काउंट तुम ले रहे हो.
हाँ, अरे रुको यार. 40 lakh तुम डालोगे. You can use it for DMAT. You can it be anything else. That relationship gives you cab transfers as well.
Correct.
Right? And again, I don't know why they have kept such a small difference between both. There are few more smaller differences.
Correct.
But again, I don't recommend anybody going the TRV
यार
route just
इसमें
for
एक
this.
बहुत अच्छा फीचर है. I don't know if you all have looked into it and you all have applied. I am very tempted to apply for this. मैं बताता हूँ. So there are a lot of these clubs in Bangalore. जैसे Boring Institute हो गया Bangalore में, Bangalore Club हो गया, and different cities like Bombay. There are some very cool clubs. I don't know, so don't hold me accountable to this. But Malabar Club is a pretty good club to do meetings and all of that. So they have a partnership with some club
Yes.
company which is available on the Premier
Dreamfolks.
website.
Dreamfolks,
So
yeah.
you can go there. You have to pay some 10,000 or 12,000 rupees. वो जैसे ही आप पे करते हो ना, you can access all of
the
those clubs.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
There is a condition though. You can access once per club per month.
Okay, interesting.
So per month या per week ऐसा कुछ तो
per
होता
month
है.
है.
Per month है ना?
हाँ, per month. I had
Have
gone
you
over
tried
there.
it? Okay, you tried it?
I'd
So
gone
you
over there.
paid the 12,000?
No, I have not yet paid it because एक तो see, I'm not very accustomed to this club culture to be honest. Okay, क्योंकि मुझे वो याद आया था time, you know, like 70s 80s की movie कि मैं club में खेलने जा रहा हूँ, club में meeting में जा रहा हूँ, right? But I want to try it out, right?
Yes.
Because I think this I have not seen it as a privilege being shown in any
Exactly.
other card.
Correct.
Exactly.
So and 10,000 is not really a big amount. I want to actually see कि अच्छा और कौन जा रहा है क्या, if you have somebody known, like golf is something that we are now trying, right? So but that is actually a very cool and a different feature. People don't know about it.
So मेरे को यही लगता है क्योंकि clubs, right? Here's the advantage of clubs. Food and beverage is very, very affordable one
Yes.
compared to upscale restaurants.
Correct.
Like if you're going to an upscale restaurant in Bangalore, your average spend is going to be 1,500 rupees per person for food and beverage, minimum. But when you're going to a club, your alcohol is massively subsidized. The food will be equally good, but it'll be massively subsidized. The other thing that I'm very, very keen to explore, if this also works on accommodation.
Got it.
For example, let's say you're going to Bombay and let's say you want to stay in Malabar Hill because you have day-long
Membership,
meetings
yeah.
there. Yeah, if you can stay at that club, it can be massively affordable. Think about
Yeah.
the
But you're also
advantage that you
forgetting
can get.
one very important thing. So what happens is, like, for example, I am a Mumbaikar by origin, right? When I came to Bangalore, I cannot get registration or entry into these clubs because the membership is
Exactly.
locked for 10 years,
years.
Correct.
right? All of that thing. So for
Correct.
me to be able to go there with my family once in a while to just show them the culture, all that, right? So recently a friend took me to the Bangalore club. We did an
Yes.
event in Bowring Club. All of these clubs have nice evening.
So boring इसीलिए हुआ because again we had
a
a
member,
relationship
yeah.
with Zed
Yeah.
from Zed the Baker,
Yeah.
and he has his outlet there, which is why we could access it.
Correct.
Otherwise we couldn't have access it. So now I think like if we explore this program and figure out if accommodation can be done, or let's say meetings
Yeah.
can be done, let's say even using their sports facilities,
And
that can be a very cool.
So,
program.
and Amit, आपने जो बोला ना, बहुत सही चीज बोली. I am a big fan of stackable benefits. कि मतलब कोई नया benefit market में आया है. मतलब I don't have on this other cards. So which means I'm adding value to my like benefits that I have. 3 examples, right? आपका ये अभी जो आपने क्लब वाला ये बोला वो. Second है जो आपका फेवरेट है, जो मैं बोलूँ मतलब स्केपिया, लाइक जो मतलब अमित इज अपना घर बसा दिया उसने स्केपिया से, मतलब पूरा
Scapia evangelist.
स्केपिया इवेंजलिस्ट बोलते, चलो गुड वे टू पुट इट.
यहाँ पे बिरयानी evangelist, Thailand evangelist, Scapia evangelist.
And so he keeps appending the latest thing that he has got from the referral benefit in that
Yeah.
thread. And I love the airport privileges feature because it adds value to whatever I
that
already
is
have.
genuinely a phenomenal
exactly.
feature. It is very underrated.
Exactly. And the
Extremely
third I feel
underrated.
one is this boarding pass जो अभी Regalia try कर रहा
Regalia ने
है.
try
हर कोई is trying to bring. और by the way, the reason why it's very interesting, Amit, is because somebody was telling me that when you book a lounge, the bank actually pays 3,000 rupees to a
I read that
080.
somewhere.
मत दो यार मेरे लिए 080, मेरे को और कुछ दे दो 3,000 रुपए में. I already have a lot of launch benefits.
Correct.
So try to see if you can stack this along, right? So
Correct. And now, I mean, Travel One currently is also giving, they have also partnership with Eco Mobility.
Yeah.
The reviews are mixed, right? To be honest, okay. I have booked one again. So there was a restriction कि आप 3 लोग ही जा सकते हैं, 3 big bags ही जा सकते हैं. We are like 4 of us and more big bags. तो मैंने कहा एक तो मैं इससे बुक करूंगा,
Correct.
ठीक है, चाहे वो खाली जाए चाहे ना जाए, जो भी है वो फीडबैक तो मेरे पास आएगा ना.
just for my audience to know.
Because I have, if taken it and it is a privilege and if we are publicized, right? That's what our job is.
Correct.
तो हम बता रहे हैं. तो उसका फर्स्ट हैंड फीडबैक क्या
Correct,
आता है?
correct.
लेट मी प्ले इट आउट.
Yeah.
तो एक तो मैंने बुक कर दिया है. नेक्स्ट मंथ आई विल कम टू नो कि रियलिटी क्या है. बट इट्स आल्सो अ गुड एडेड फीचर इफ यू आर एबल टू गेट दैट.
Actually, eco mobility वाला जो प्रॉब्लम है, whatever that issue is, somebody pinged me yesterday also that 5 दिन पहले मैंने किया तो seamlessly हो गया. Maybe they are fixing it, I don't know. But again, like you correctly said, if from an investment perspective, it's a great investment for a bank because you are basically saving money from versus a lounge, at the same time giving a benefit that I value more.
Yeah.
See, it's overall experience. If we start joining the dots now, from your home, you take this via Travel One Eco Mobility and you reach over there. Premier say you take the
Accor hotel book कर लो.
no hotel nahi. When you have reached airport, you take
Meet and
that
greet.
meet and greet. You
Yeah,
take
yeah,
that,
yeah.
right? You get a couple of meet and greet. इन्होंने अपने फॉर्मेट दे रखे हैं. एक्चुअली मैं Travel One के जब मैं I was booking that Eco Mobility, उन्होंने पूरा टेम्पलेट दिया. आप ये एक चीज डाल दोगे तो उस दिन हम मान लेंगे कि आपका
कैब
आ
आ
गया
गया
है, ठीक है. सो वो करो. आई ऑल्सो टेकन मीट एंड ग्रीट फ्रॉम प्रीमियर एज वेल. ओके, अगेन दे हैव कंडीशन कि 2 लोग जा सकते हैं, व्हाटएवर इट इज, बट दैट यू डू, राइट? देन यू आर बुकिंग द फ्लाइट और होटल, दैट यू आर गेटिंग द रिवॉर्ड, देन यूजिंग दोस रिवॉर्ड टू स्टे. सो आई थिंक दैट इज हाउ यू take out the full value proposition. और अगर उसके बाद में जाके they have taken, we're going to any club or something, तो आपका full circle हो गया.
सोने पे सुहागा.
सोने पे सुहागा वाला.
No, but
type हो
I
गया.
want to put the HSBC ecosystem into perspective for our audience. Now that we've done Axis, we've done Amex, we've done HDFC, let's put it into perspective, right? A good credit card ecosystem needs to have 3 things sorted out. They need earn, they need burn, and they need to have benefits. Okay? Till a long time, they had sorted the only the card as 3% return. कुछ और था नहीं. तुम स्वाइप करोगे तुमको 3% मिलेगा. Unfortunately, 3% पे अगर points कमाना होता, then you don't need to see our videos, right? Because we only talk about multipliers, all of those things, right? So when they added buying Hopper, it added a significant amount of earning opportunity, right? Now, is there more opportunity to make Hopper better? 100% yes. Need a independent app, need a website to use Hopper. They need to get more partners because Air India Express आती नहीं है Hopper पे काफी बार. All of that they need to fix. The burn equation is probably the best in the industry right now, right? I don't know whether it was well planned or whether it is well thought or it just happened कि Axis ने निकाला और इन्होंने डाल दिया. They have the highest number of partners, including Accor and including Jal, no quotas, which means that आप अगर like hypothetically किसी ने 50 लाख खर्च किया, आप सब कुछ Accor में मूव कर सकते हो. No group A, no group B nonsense.
One very important thing, Dhimat, I'll tell you from my personal experience. See, Accor, I think I'll park any Accor conversation for now because 2% उसका 2 times मिल रहा है, 2x मिल रहा है, बाकी सारे हैं. The other value proposition you talked about, Burn, is how soon can you transfer the points from HSBC? So I had to, make a booking.
Brilliant.
And it was like because my one of the flights got disrupted of this Middle East situation, and अभी डील मिल रही है, मुझे नेक्स्ट वीक की फ्लाइट चाहिए, अभी पॉइंट चाहिए. HSBC कह रहा है भाई बैठो,
Exactly.
3 दिन में दूंगा. राइट नाउ MX से करूंगा, HDFC is saying कि भाई तुम बैठो आराम से, 2-3 दिन में आ जाएगा. MX कहता है मैं अभी करता हूँ, बट इफ आई हैव गॉट tons of point over here, HSBC कहता है you do it half an hour, it is
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Which was that? 100%. Singapore Airlines. Which one was it?
Singapore Airlines.
Accor भी 30 minutes.
It is Accor में again Accor conversation. So 50% bonus they gave last year.
Yes.
We're talking about 72% return. मतलब उसका
तो बोला पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
So they did 2 things at that time. ठीक है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. डाइसन के साथ उन्होंने निकाला पार्टनरशिप, राइट? मतलब आप डाइसन का प्रोडक्ट लेके आ रहे हो और होटल में स्टे फ्री में कर रहे हो.
Correct.
It is a no-brainer to
10x is crazy.
By the way, a lot of people don't know that the Dyson offer has been extended from 1st May again. Reintroduced rather.
Okay.
Reintroduced.
Yeah.
So again, just because people don't know, talk about the offer again.
Yeah, so
Just
Dyson offer के website पे, if you use Dyson on their own website,
Yeah.
you just get 10x points, right? I think now they've added,
There's no link or anything. Just go to Dyson
website on
and just use the Premier card.
That's it.
If you use the Premier card, you get 10x.
yes, but there are some terms and conditions. I think there is a max limit. I think which 18,000 था, 16,000 था,
I
क्या
think
था?
I don't remember.
But
From you can also take it from the shop as well. Then also you're getting
Offline भी ले सकते हो.
Okay,
Offline भी ले सकते हो.
so let's just like to put this into perspective for the audience. What is a typical hairdryer costing of Dyson?
32,000.
So let's say 36,000 for ease of calculation. तो आप बोल रहे हो 36 पे 36% मिलेगा?
3% into 10, which is 33%.
So 30,000 पकड़ो, 30,000 पे
10,000 cashback.
10,000 वापस मिल जाएगा
points.
points, which is 20,000 stays ना Accor.
Exactly.
यार ये अच्छा गिफ्टिंग आइडिया है ना.
और उसमें भी अगर उन्होंने लास्ट ईयर जो ऑफर निकाला था 50% एक्स्ट्रा बोनस ट्रांसफर का Accor के अंदर,
फिर तो फ्री हो गया हो.
आपने अगर वो नहीं लिया है तो आपने बहुत बड़ी गलती करी है. Now again the debate comes, do you need Dyson etc. See, everyone has their own choices.
Correct.
But if there is something you are eyeing, like for example us guys in Delhi, right, you have come at a beautiful time over here,
air purifier,
right, they were out of stock. ठीक है, और जैसे ही आया वैसे ही बुक किया उसको, and you're getting like 108% kind of reward you're getting. So it was.
So see, I'll tell you one very interesting thing I've studied. ये बहुत ही philosophical है, काफी वो लोग कमेंट भी करेंगे, बोला यार लोग करोड़ रुपए स्पेंड करते हैं, फिर पॉइंट कमाते हैं, फिर उसका लाउंज में खाना खाते हैं. See, I'll tell you what I feel, right? I feel that sometimes credit cards as an instrument make it easier for you to go to aspirational things.
100%.
Be it a aspirational hotel. अगर मैं मर्क्यूर जाने वाला था, अब मैं सोफिटेल जा सकता हूँ. अगर मैं फिलिप्स हाइड्रा खरीदने वाला था, मैं डाइसन खरीद सकता हूँ. This is upgrade of your life. It's okay. मतलब I'm not saying कि you spend double triple the money that you have, but if it lets you upgrade your lifestyle a little bit, why not यार? मतलब
See, the first thing that we're trying to do is optimize what we're generally spending on.
Correct.
ठीक है, तो हम manufactured spending या overspending is not what to talk. Yes, we all get sucked into that. There's no doubt about it. But the first
उसका
thing is
नाम होता है शौक.
खुजली.
खुजली. But
is the
also
right
यार
word.
I feel like you have to live a little. मैं overspending के खिलाफ हूँ. मैं overspend मत करो. लेकिन अगर तुमको अगेन शाहरुख खान अगर सच्ची चीज अगर कुछ जेन्युइनली चाहिए ले लो यार once in a while. It's okay. Experience the joy of life. Next month get back to discipline.
I think credit cards just make you less guilty, less guilty about it. That's what it is about.
yeah, that's true. That's true.
क्योंकि यार खर्चा करेंगे नहीं तो ऊपर वाला देगा भी नहीं ना. थोड़ा वो उसका है ना अनुपम खेर का आपने पिक्चर देखी होगी आपका पता नहीं. दिल पिक्चर देखिए.
हाँ देखिए
अनुपम खेर उसका एक डायलॉग होता है हजारों जाते हैं तो करोड़ों आते हैं.
ये आजकल चल रहा है, ये ट्रेंड चल रहा है. You know, the money doesn't want to sit idle. only when you start spending it, it starts coming to you, right?
ये क्यों बोला आपने चल रहा है बोले तो?
आजकल इंस्टा पे आप रील देखोगे, this is trending, this part is trending, right?
That-
So one aspect was like you need to live very judiciously, अपना बचा के रखो, which is true, right? But so my personal philosophy in life, right, it has changed from just living life like it is. I'm like, money in life is infinite. देखो तुम यूएस को हर रोज नया डॉलर छाप रहा है, ठीक है ना? देयर इज इनफाइनाइट मनी अवेलेबल. इफ यू आर नॉट अर्निंग इट,
Yeah.
then it's a you problem.
Yes.
We all have 24 hours in life, right? हर दिन we all have 24 hours in a day. वही 24 घंटे में अंबानी बने, अदानी बने और तुम बने हो, right?
Yeah.
So you need to work hard, get into a stage, और फिर उसके बाद अपने शौक पूरे करो, like you said, right? Don't compromise.
I think let's do one thing. Let's just quickly look at the HSBC का ecosystem में cards available, and I want to know from both of you which are the cards worth applying for and for which segment. ठीक है, quickly करते हैं. I will start with Amit first. आप ये बताओ कि entry level पे like which is the card that you would recommend from HSBC stack?
See, I will say Live Plus जो
Plus.
card है ना, Live Plus card
बताओ
is the
क्यों?
one. Because groceries पे it is giving 10% and specifically groceries में a lot of my followers have said कि D-Mart पे मुझे कहाँ पे reward मिल रहा है.
Got it.
Okay, D-Mart पे, Reliance Jio Mart पे, इन सब के ऊपर आपको 10% के इनके vouchers आपको usually आराम से नहीं मिलते हैं. D-Mart के तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलते हैं. So you're going over there, you're swiping it, you're getting 10% in grocery. उसका जो cashback है, the limit is 1,000 rupees.
Perfect.
Right? So 10,000 rupees की groceries की spend जिन लोगों की रहती है, I think it's one of the best card to have. If
So
you're-
perfect. Let's break it down. आप 1,000 रुपीज का कार्ड है, आप महीने में अगर 10,000 रुपए की ग्रोसरी लेते हो उस कार्ड से, यू गेट 1,000 रुपी कैशबैक पर मंथ.
per month.
This is for any grocery store, offline or online, doesn't matter, as long as it's tagged as the right MCC of grocery store.
Yep.
Big basket भी हो सकता है. DMart is beautiful example because एक तो पहले से 50% ऑफ देती है DMart, उसके ऊपर आप और कैशबैक मिलता है. And it also works on restaurants if I'm not mistaken.
yes.
And any restaurants, you don't need to book a easy diner for this. आप बगल वाले उडुपी में चले गए, वहां पे आपने इडली भी खाई, उस पे आपको 10% वापस मिलता है.
Correct.
So beautiful
So
example.
it's a आम जनता card.
And how easy or difficult is to get that card?
See, now this is the part which, firstly, location is the problem, right? So
Okay.
it is only restricted to a certain cities. Although last एक साल में they have grown into different cities, but entry criteria for this card is quite low. So it is quite easily available to salaried people. अच्छा, HSBC का भी थोड़ा salary की तरफ definition ज्यादा है, ठीक है? So salaried people को relatively easy मिलता है. Self-employed, I don't know actually if I
They've
know.
tried it, started giving it, I think, recently, but again, it's not fully solved as a problem yet. I think.
Yes, correct. तो उसके हिसाब से I would say, I mean, if I have to rate it out, I would put it like 6.5 out on a scale of 10 in terms of कितना easy मिल जाता है जो उस location में है.
And so reward rate is roughly 10% on all grocery and dining, and everything else is how much? Like its basic earning is like 1-2%.
I think 1%
Okay.
it is there.
Got it. Okay.
Probably it is.
Let's talk about you. Topmost segment का बताओ.
HSBC Taj card.
But Taj, can it be a generalist card, or like would you?
So
if someone-
I'll tell you who it is for, and I will quickly cap the benefits so that you get an understanding. Cost of the card is 1,10,000 plus GST, 1,30,000 rupees तुम्हारा day one पे ही outgo है.
Sure.
ठीक है. What you will get is 2 nights at any Taj non-palaces.
Sure.
Until 30th June if you apply, it is 2 nights at any palaces.
Okay.
तो अगर आप 40,000 रुपए भी वैल्यू मान के चलो, जो सबसे कम वैल्यू है पैलेस के लिए, 80,000 यहाँ पे आ गया, और 25,000 बेस रूम का नॉन पैलेस का ले लो, 1,30,000 तुम्हारे यहाँ रिकवर हो गया. तो ये तुम्हारा
And
100%
fees is
रिकवर
how
हुआ.
much? Fees is how much?
1.3.
1.3 plus taxes or with taxes?
With taxes.
With taxes. Okay.
So अभी आपका गया 1.3, आपका
गया।
आया 1.3, you
Level
are
playing field.
break even on day one. 4 dining vouchers for 2. मतलब आपको डिस्काउंट नहीं मिल रहा है, 100% फ्री मील्स.
8
These are
meals.
not buffet meals. These are curated 3-course meals.
Any of the properties?
Any Taj properties.
Okay,
Okay.
great.
So ये brilliant feature है. आपको 4 spa sessions मिलते हैं,
Okay.
which is again
Four
insane
single
value.
one, हाँ, okay.
ठीक है. आपको
इसका
4
वैल्यू लगाते हैं ना, जो डिनर लंच वाला है, डिनर वाला आपने बोला मील्स
हाँ।
का 8 मील्स बोले ना, for
8
2
meals.
people 4.
नहीं 8 meals या
8 into मिनिमम 3,000 वैल्यू लगाते हैं, चलो मिनिमम
Bare
ज्यादा ही
minimum,
होगा,
yeah,
24,000 रुपया तो वहीं से निकल जाएगा आपका.
ठीक है.
एंड यू आर सेइंग
Four spas.
4,000 रुपीज तो मिनिमम स्पा का होता है.
यार
मिनिमम
यार
मिनिमम.
यार 10,000 होएगा. 4,000 तो तुम्हारा नॉर्मल सैलून ले लेता है आजकल.
लेट्स से आई वैल्यू इट एट 5,000 रुपीज इन माय हेड. ताज में कितने का है छोड़ो, 5,000, कम से कम 20,000 तो वहां से निकाल लोगे आप.
मैं डबल बोलता हूँ लेकिन
40, चलो 20 से 40,000, 20 से 40,000 रुपया फेयर.
हाँ.
ओके.
Then you have 4 luxury transfers. which is
Okay. Airport.
airport privileges. So like a Mercedes, BMW will
कोई
come
भी
properly.
flight के लिए मैं जा सकता हूँ. Like I don't have to book anything with them or whatever. Okay, great.
So यहाँ
That
पर अब
another is
इसका
4,000-5,000 rupees minimum.
तो 5,000 into 4 ये हो गया.
20,000.
You have access to the Taj Chambers, which is a underrated benefit. यार 20 lakh रुपए plus GST is the fees to get invited to Taj Chambers to get access to their lounges across the country. This guy is giving you 12 lounge visits free per year. 12 times a year, he will give you another privileges to come and use the property swimming pool.
Okay.
So any
इसके
property
ऊपर
swimming
पैसा
pool.
नहीं, पैसे की वैल्यू नहीं लगा सकते.
मत
You
लगाओ.
can't put up money value because it's crazy, right?
But it's a great
yeah,
benefit.
Exactly.
And the Taj Chambers lounge itself. So for example, if you want to wine and dine someone and you want to give them a very bespoke environment, you want to do a confidential meeting, तो फिर यार वो वीवर्क में मजा नहीं है. और रेस्टोरेंट में जाओगे कॉन्फिडेंशियल मीटिंग कैसे करोगे? Taj Chambers is the right place to do. So if you are a busy person and you want to go to Taj Mahal Colaba and you want to do a proper business meeting, man, you'll do that meeting in swag and style, right? So that is another benefit. The most underrated benefit, in my opinion, Taj Platinum status.
Fair.
Now this is where you need to take advantage, because if you get that Taj Platinum status, God forbid, and I'm not saying this will happen, God forbid Accord devalues. Marriott is already devalued as of today. If you think about it, not like immediate devaluation, but over the years consistently devaluing. So now you need to have a domestic player who will stand tall. That can be a good replacement.
Taj is a great
So if you want to have a
selection in
hedge,
India.
India में ताज का network brilliant है. Secondly, this can be used as status match to airlines also, because Taj is a globally recognized brand.
Fair.
तो ताज प्लैटिनम स्टेटस के लिए अब ये तुम सब जोड़ लो और बताओ.
Yeah, fair. I think I would say it is 1.3 के अगेंस्ट आप 2 लाख आराम से मिनिमम निकालोगे, 2 से 2.5 लाख आराम से. Like if I know you will definitely be able to take 2.5
I will
lakh
take
value.
3x out of it आराम से.
आराम
Bare
से.
minimum.
आज ये चीज जो लग रही है ना, see it's about how the market evolves and how thinking of people evolves. Up until a few years back, nobody used to buy membership. Nobody as in जनरल जनता. Last 2 साल में Accor की Explode Plus membership कैसे बिकी है?
Exploded.
Exploded, right? So the benefit that you're talking about it, let it be underrated. Because I'm telling you why, right? 1 lakh right now is looking like a high value proposition. And I've stayed in a lot of Taj properties, right? And I can tell you once, if money can buy the status, spend that money.
And get the status.
And get the status, because there's no value match. जो आपका वहाँ पे स्वागत होता है and how you're treated and how the points that you get and the privileges you get, they're unmatched. And like you said, the other thing is उसके comparison में, because you're going into other partners and if the status match happens, कहाँ पे और क्या partnership से आपको मिलने वाले privileges. Once you are at that stage,
So
it's
two
awesome.
questions regarding the Taj card. One, can you use it for regular use? Is it a good card to use for regular use?
I wouldn't recommend that,
What is
because
the
the base reward rate is 1.5%.
So you earn that in Taj points. Okay, got it. That's one. Secondly, how does one get this card? Is it invite only? Can you just walk
There's no
into a
invite.
branch?
Walk into HSBC and apply, or apply online.
And eligibility is largely
Eligibility, good question. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure about the eligibility. But if you're a premier customer,
Then you
you
should be
should
able to
easily be able to get the card. Shouldn't be a problem.
So अगर Marriott Bonvoy HDFC का is the entry level एक card है जो partnership में, this is probably the epitome, right?
Absolutely.
This is
I think this is a no-brainer, यार, because Palace में जो आप value निकाल पाओगे ना, it is crazy. I've done 2 Palace experiences till today in India. One is Taj Falaknuma, the other is the Taj Mahal Palace in Bombay.
yeah.
And this is not so there is a Taj Mahal Tower and then there is a Taj Mahal Palace. The palace is right next to it.
Yeah.
Both are very different properties.
Got it.
And once you stay, it is a very different level of the welcome benefit, the experience itself. The food and beverage at Taj is genuinely good.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, is there any blackout etc. blackout dates जब आप नहीं करा सकते book? Are you aware of any of these things?
I have not checked that.
Okay.
But when a friend wanted to book, I have 3 friends who have already utilized all the vouchers. And they were just able to call and book.
मैं नहीं हूँ उसमें से कोई
question
भी.
asked.
I'm not that friend. Just FYI.
नहीं वो सारे हमारे Discord community में ही मिलेंगे आपको.
Just joking.
तीनों.
So let me do one thing. Let me cover the cards in between, because you guys
करो.
covered the like entry
Edge
level
cards.
and I think there are 3 cards that we need to speak about. One is the Premier. Who is the Premier right for?
Yeah.
Okay, the Premier is right for anybody who earns 3 lakhs plus. Easiest. So if you have, काफी लोग ये पिंग करते होंगे आपको भी, right? मुझे भी काफी पिंग आते हैं, आपको भी आते होंगे कि I have a salary account. Which card do I get?
Yes.
So this is one of the beautiful places to put in your salary.
100%.
If you are not getting the Magnus Burgundy, then this is another great option because Magnus Burgundy also costs you 35,000 rupees, right?
And the stress of maintaining 10 lakhs
Exactly.
or salary or
exactly.
whatever, TRV.
And 35,000 देने के बाद if you are not able to use AP, then it doesn't, you can't
Correct.
get enough out of it. Premier is a no-brainer because you will not be charged any fees
No
till the
spending
time
pressure.
your salary comes, no spending pressure, and you will consistently use it like a 3% cashback card.
Correct.
So a lot of software professionals, a lot of people who work for companies with salaries greater than 3 lakh plus, I think I definitely recommend getting your salary account into HSBC if HSBC is accessible to you.
And get introduced to banking the way it should be, not unlike the traditional banks.
I don't think anybody can fill the gap that Citibank had. Like
I am saying, so I've been Citi customer for like 12 years before they transitioned me to Axis. But I'll tell you what, HSBC is almost there.
I would say they are there, but I think the number of features that they had online, the Citibank, like everything was just online. Matlab, I just felt comfortable. But
I get
close.
it, but Abhi, so you were there with Citi. Then you came down there with Axis. Now suddenly HSBC is here. I feel upgraded in life.
Sure.
Right?
I think personal experience say you are right. RMs, etc. I totally agree. But their tech really needs an upgrade, right? So on their website, on their app.
Yeah, the app is great. What do you not like about
so
the app?
bare minimum.
It is featureless.
So that means
Let's
that
put
you
it
need
that
to
way.
look at.
But that is not a bug. It is a feature.
No,
it is
not.
simplicity.
No, it is not.
So,
It's not
अच्छा,
simplicity.
okay, let's just understand.
Even if, so okay, let's talk about the very basic thing.
हाँ जी.
आप ट्रांसफर ये सब कर सकते हो,
हाँ जी,
ठीक है?
हाँ जी.
But if you are going to use it for the Premier, you are going to use for the Hopper experience. Two major things.
हाँ जी.
One only on mobile.
That I agree. Yes.
Secondly, जो कि I did not realize, but people told, and then I found it is, आपको 2 रूम बुक करने, you can't book them all at once, right? And it's a Hopper problem.
Correct.
But अगर tech के अंदर आप integration
नहीं,
करके,
so you're saying Hopper is a problem, which I agree.
Correct.
Core banking में भी problem है app में आपको?
I will talk about this. That's what I'm saying. So the core banking problem, Adil, is it has very limited features. Whatever works brilliantly.
जैसे आप बताओ ना क्या मिस कर
मैं
रहे हो?
बताता हूँ एक
हाँ जी, हाँ
मैं
जी.
Please.
आपको UPI करना है. They have a different app for UPI.
I use Cred. It works beautifully with it.
not
What
Cred.
you use is a different thing. If you're into that ecosystem, one app doing everything. अगर आपको करना
नहीं,
है.
but Cred मेरे HSBC से ही देता है ना पैसे.
See, that's what I'm saying. If you talk about one ecosystem, why do I need to have a separate app
अच्छा, तो
for
आप
this
बोल
one?
रहे हो HSBC का ही UPI
Have you
होना चाहिए.
have you tried paying your credit card bill from the HSBC app? You have to use
Yeah.
move money function.
Correct.
That is not intuitive, Adil. It seems like you're moving from one bank to another account. You are moving money. It's a credit.
मेरे को काफी simple
You
लगा
are
भाई.
not paying a credit card bill. You are moving money from a bank to a credit card account. There's a difference between both. I'm saying it's not intuitive. Anyways, we cannot keep debating about it.
Okay, my personal preference is that I have seen HSBC as the most simplest and the
Agreed,
most
yeah.
convenient
Yeah.
banking interface.
Sure. Fair.
आप नोकिया वाले जमाने को याद कर रहे हो आज के
नहीं
जमाने में?
यार अमित क्या बात कर रहे हो लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अभी HDFC का नया ऐप काफी अच्छा है ओके द वे UI UX गुड ओवरऑल एक्सेस आई स्टिल फील for me is web 2.0 it feels dated HSBC for me seems seamless matlab I get in I do my stuff and I get out and it's simple
I think it fits with his persona, maybe more
Maybe,
simplicity.
perhaps, yeah.
But I feel that if I am in banking, I need features available at my fingertips. मुझे काफी बार ऐसे multiple other features है जिसके लिए मुझे desktop पे search करना पड़ता है. Statement generation, another big problem. Like banking statements of Premier are far more difficult to generate
कल
them.
रात को ही भेजा जो अपन बात
It's
कर
not
रहे थे
as easy as intuitive is what I'm saying.
Okay.
But anyways, let's move on. The second
talking about
card,
the cards,
the
yeah.
second card I want to talk about, and again, Premier पे एक चीज we can round it off. If somebody has the Infinia, or if he has the Axis Magnus Burgundy, should he still apply for a Premier? I think this question I get a lot. I want to know your opinion, both of your
देखो
opinion.
अभी as of today Infinia ने जो 18 लाख वाले
हाँ जी.
अपने तलवार टांग दी है ना
हाँ.
so I would say बैकअप के लिए if you can get Premier
चलो, great
तो ले
answer.
लो ठीक
Great
है you
answer.
get
Great answer.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ जब तक मिल रहा है ले
ले
लो
लो.
TRV फिर से बढ़ा देगा सैलरी 4 लाख कर देगा फिर क्या करोगे
So both the answer is yes.
100% आई एम
So-
लाइक जब मिल रहा है ले लो we'll figure it out.
My answer to that is because practically अगर देखो तो हर बंदे के पास एक ही सैलरी होती है, वो हर जगह नहीं डाल सकता. So I would say if you just have the Infinia, put your salary to HSBC and Premier and get the Premier.
Yes.
If you have the Magnus Burgundy, don't risk it. Don't move your salary from Axis and to HSBC right away. Is what my recommendation would be. Right?
So Magnus Burgundy also there are two personas. If you can consistently hit AEP 4 months a year, right, then stay with Magnus Burgundy. But if you're not able to do AEP even once or twice, 2 months a year, move to Premier. There is no reason you should have the Burgundy.
Sure.
So उधर limitations ज़्यादा हैं. Group A, Group B, exclusions. This is beautiful, right? सिर्फ fuel पे आपको नहीं मिलेगा, बाकी हर जगह मिलेगा.
The third persona that you correctly mentioned is that first lakh. If you have spends like insurance, taxes, you are that person जिसका spend 1 लाख है और मैं 1 लाख कहीं भी spend करना चाहता हूँ minus fuel and wallet.
Correct.
I can use HSBC Premier.
Wallet also is
wallet and fuel. Do
नहीं wallet पे मिलता है.
अच्छा, wallet
मिलता है
पे मिलता है.
points.
Okay, my bad.
Which
my
is why
bad.
I say, you know, Cred has this amazing feature, right, where you can add money to wallet via
sure.
UPI, right? Because I'm always short of Accor points.
Sure.
Although they charge me 2% to do that, I always do that. और फिर मैं अगर किसी को भी UPI payment कर रहा हूँ, even peer to peer, I can pay it with wallet.
Got it.
Which is a beautiful feature. तो आपको 3% मिल रहा है, जो मैं तो Accor में ही move करूंगा तो मेरे को 6 रुपए की वैल्यू मिल रही है, लेकिन मेरा cost 2 रुपया है. So then I use that. So it's very underrated and powerful.
So I thought that there was one more exclusion. I don't know why I remember that, but
Fuel.
only
Only
fuel.
fuel.
Only
Perfect.
fuel.
That's great.
That's it.
That's great. The second, I think, persona I feel that who should get Premier also is that if you are that guy जो पसंद करता है एक कार्ड कैरी करना,
हाँ जी.
कहीं भी जाता है, even priority pass carry नहीं करना. You just carry the HSBC Premier. I've used it across the globe. It works seamlessly. They work on that key something, some key
launch.
Key launch.
Lounge key.
Launch key. And
Launch
it
key.
just works. You don't need a priority pass separately, right? So that's, I think, another. The third one to look out for is they do every year some bonus in the festive period.
हाँ.
जो last time iPhone का offer आया था, उसके पहले वाले साल भी आया था. So every year they do something like this. So if you have spends which are large enough,
Yeah.
you can stack them off with HSBC Premier, right?
Correct,
So
correct.
the second card I think is the HSBC T1. I think we've spoken about it enough.
Yes.
I'm not going to talk about it much, but who is it right for? If you are in the HSBC serviceable area, and if your salary is in that 1.5 lakh bracket, I feel HSBC T1 is a great start
Correct.
to get into the miles ecosystem.
There's
Right.
no, I mean, at that price point, 5,000 rupees वाले price point में जो competitive card है, that is only Horizon, and Horizon is not really a good card,
Yeah,
right?
correct.
तो it is only अगर कुछ और नहीं मिल रहा तो आप वो ले लो वाला card है, but this one is actually giving you good value, good points.
Absolutely. And I think if I'm not mistaken, मैंने जो calculation किया था 3,000 या 4,000 की joining fee पे आप roughly joining benefits और everything में 10,000 रुपए निकाल लेते हो cabs jobs मिला के. मतलब it's a very positive 4x plus forex. तो I think June 31st तक there is an offer 30th तक
जून तक, हाँ.
that you almost zero forex है.
Correct.
Right? So
Let me ask you both a question. What is the best HSBC card for women? Now I see that a lot of women have started getting into points and miles as well. We have quite a few who are active in Discord, but there are quite a few who have started commenting also, and we get a lot of DMs on Instagram. So are there any cards that pick one card if you had to recommend for women, and which one would it be? Let's pick one from the HSBC ecosystem, and let's pick one from any card ecosystem, no problem. अमित आप पहले recommend करो 2 cards, एक HSBC के बाहर का, एक HSBC वाला, along with your reasons. Dhiman, then I'll come to you.
See, I'll talk about why my woman uses, right?
हाँ
I'd
जी.
like to use कि कम से कम सोचना पड़े and you just swipe, right? And there are
बिल्कुल.
2 simple cards. The number 1 is Premier.
Right.
The number 2 is Infinia. Premier because by default 3% मिल रहा है, exclusion कुछ है नहीं है, तो कहीं पे ये नहीं पूछना कि
Correct.
अमित कौन सा कार्ड
But
यूज
it's an
कर रहा है,
add-on.
right?
this is an add-on.
That's an add-on.
Correct, sure.
That's an add-on. Soon going to get her own Premier card.
But yeah, I mean, but a lot of women are earning well today, and they can get their own independent
Yeah,
premiers
yeah,
as well. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So the other card, the outside of HSBC, I told HDFC Infinia. ठीक
Right.
है. Again, base rate काफी अच्छा
हाँ
है.
जी.
काफी जगह पे आप ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो. So that is the other
और
card.
स्मार्ट बाय बेस्ट है. बेसिकली ट्रांसफर नहीं भी करो तो 70% बर्न करो.
Correct. Smart buy, you, I mean, anything that you have to buy, right? You just
Yeah.
go and buy the voucher and
Correct.
you pay for it. And especially, for example, Nykaa women, right?
Yeah,
Nykaa,
yeah, yeah.
Nykaa पे आप बहुत सारे vouchers available
Correct,
हैं.
correct.
You just go and buy the voucher, you get good reward from there, 16.5% reward.
Yeah.
That is what I would recommend.
My answer looks a little stereotypical, but let me take a shot at it. I think at least when it comes to Tashi and a little bit of Sanya, whatever I've seen, and a few other women that I know, they prefer simplicity.
Yes,
एंड
100%.
व्हेन यू से वैल्यू सिंप्लिसिटी का मतलब है कि मुझे ये मत बोलो कि अगर मैं पहला स्वाइप करूं उसके बाद 3 स्टेप करने के बाद मुझे उसका रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, ये
Correct.
थोड़ा मेरे लिए आई कांट फैथम इट.
Taxing है.
हाँ, I can't fathom the true reward. So 3 cards which I feel, which Tashi has appreciated
हाँ.
because she has seen immediate rewards, right?
हाँ.
3 cards. One, Scapia.
Correct.
Because उसको ऐप अच्छा लगता है.
Correct.
तो वो जो स्पेंड करती है मुझे पूछते बोलता वहीं से मैं फ्लाइट भी बुक कर लूंगी उसी ऐप में से, मुझे कोई और ऐप नहीं खोलना, कोई थर्ड पार्टी वेबसाइट नहीं खोलना. तो शी लव्स दैट,
Correct.
राइट? एंड मैंने उसको 3-4 बार बोलने का ट्राई किया कि इसका 2% है, उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. द वैल्यू ऑफ बीइंग एबल टू कन्वर्ट द कॉइन स्ट्रेट अवे इन द ऐप इटसेल्फ इज मोर वैल्यूएबल देन कि 1, 2, 3 उसको
Yeah,
फर्क नहीं
yeah,
पड़ता,
yeah,
राइट? नंबर
yeah.
1. नंबर 2, मैरियट, HDFC मैरियट कार्ड, बिकॉज शी नोस कि जैसे ही मैं कार्ड लूंगी मेरे को JW प्रेस्टीज या कोई तो एक होटल में फ्री नाइट मिलेगा. शी इज एबल टू पुट अ एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू टू व्हाट शी सो फॉर हर. It's 15,000 rupees worth of value by paying 3,500 rupees. She has probably not used the card after that. Okay, so that's the second thing. The third card which she loves is the travel one. उसका reason ये है कि because she knows from us that she can spend it anywhere.
Yeah.
राइट? तो अभी उसमें भी एक्सक्लूजन है, बट दैट्स वन कार्ड शी नोज दैट मुझे अकॉर के पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं, तो
Yeah.
इट गोज अगेंस्ट द सिंप्लिसिटी बिट. बट इफ यू हैव टू गेट इट इनटू द माइल्स इकोसिस्टम, दैट्स वन कार्ड शी हैज लाइक्ड,
Yeah.
राइट? एंड प्लस को मैंने बोला कि कैब एक्सेट्रा मिलती है, तो शी स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग दैट.
Yeah.
बट द अदर टू व्हिच आई मेंशनड, स्केपिया एंड मैरियट, आई थिंक शी हैज अप्रिशिएटेड दैट मोर देन एनी कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ड.
Right. For me, I think for Sanya, my wife, Scapia is her favorite. Favorite for the simple reason that उसको काफी हमारे घर के पास there's a bakery.
UPI.
Exactly. So वो bakery is a regular because my छोटू Ibad who's 9 years old, that fellow loves bread. और उसको वो buns बहुत पसंद है, तो रोज शाम को जाके वो लाना पड़ता है. So she will go. She doesn't need to carry the card. The Scapia UPI will
Virtual
immediately give, and that guy doesn't take cards. So you know, this is extremely helpful. Number one. 2, she also likes the interface, like you said. It's simple, it's clean, it's nice. ठीक है. The second one that she really likes is the Amex Platinum Travel. वो
That
मेरे
was
को-
another list, yeah.
उसका एक ही सवाल है, ये how many more lakhs for 7 lakhs? Because उसको पता है वो बोनस आता है, and then she knows कि where are we going with these 50,000 points? क्योंकि आपको पहले 7 लाख में भी 2.5% मिल जाता है, and then 40,000 bonus, 50,000 आपको मिल जाएगा. The third thing she's discovered very recently, my brother-in-law, as we speak right now, he is in Maldives. He's gone to Lee Meridian. And he wanted to go there, but he had 1 lakh points. And he was short of 1 lakh points. I told Sanya, gift कर दे उसको. Gift कैसे करेंगे? I said, let's move your Amex points to Marriott, and we'll move from your Marriott to his Marriott. Problem solved. He will go and come. Because he was then thinking, मेरे पास अभी काफी नहीं है. I'll go to some other places. I'm like, son, we have stayed at this particular place, Lee Meridian, Maldives. We loved it. It is one of our favorite places in the world. उसको वहीं भेजते हैं because he has 100K. Move your 100K, move it to Marriott, gift it, brother. कोई problem नहीं. So we gifted. Gifted takes 2 minutes. Transfer takes 2 minutes. Yeah, it's the account. He's booked. Now he's enjoying and having a great time. So the fact that you can share it with family is something that she was like, ये भी होता है. अब मेरे को बोल रही है, ठीक है मेरे डाइट से मेरे एमएक्स में ट्रांसफर करो. पता भाई ऐसे नहीं होता है भाई.
अगली बार शगन के लिफाफे नहीं आएंगे, राइट? मैरियट पॉइंट्स आएंगे.
मैं बोला यार ऐसे नहीं होता, मैरियट से कर सकते हैं, एमएक्स टू एमएक्स नहीं होता. बट द फैक्ट दैट शी डिस्कवर्ड दिस इज नॉट लाइक
Ecosystem,
यार एमएक्स इज
yeah.
माय अमेजिंग कार्ड. सो
I think now I think you can get her a flat charge also. जैसे मालूम पड़ा कि 1 लाख का बोनस मिल रहा है.
No, I think so. Flat charge again, like if the 125K offer comes back, it's a no-brainer in my opinion. Like whoever can should get the card for the utility. If you travel a lot and you spend a lot, then I think like the utility of that 125K is phenomenal.
Perfect. So let me now introduce one short section.
हाँ जी.
I will talk about one feature that you think HSBC should add to make their ecosystem stronger. Both of you one point. Like what do you think they should
मेरा
do?
सिंपल गिफ्ट वाउचर्स. गिफ्ट वाउचर्स.
ये मेरा वाला था.
ये
ये मेरा वाला था.
वो बोलते हैं मैंने रुमाल डाल दिया है. गिफ्ट वाउचर दे दो.
So okay, if gift vouchers is already taken, right, then I would say कि जो इनका 1 lakh rupees का they have put that blanket ना, but they should really increase it. It was increased earlier, they have decreased it now, but just bring that back to maybe
If
like
they
2 lakh, 3
increase
lakh
it,
rupees.
no, there's no need of Biz Black. Because look at the transfer partner availability here. Just move it here.
But I'll tell
That's
you,
true.
I'll tell you, ecosystem का मीनिंग ये होता है, मुझे लगता है कि इकोसिस्टम का मतलब होता है कि यू आर एबल टू retain also people in your ecosystem, right? And what I feel is one of the things that they can do is introduce more redemption sweet spots outside just, let's say, miles partners, right? For example, I feel that can they stitch up more partnerships with HSBC card, right? Interconvertibility of points with something else, like Accor Explorer के साथ कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या, whatever, they're not doing it yet fully. I think these are things which ecosystem can have a big play. And मुझे लगता है कि जो Infinia जो gap खाली करने वाला है, which is the people who cannot spend 18 lakhs, there is a significant amount of people who are going to move out. They will go to DCB probably. I think HSBC Premier can be that player.
मैं आपको एक अंडररेटेड चीज बोलता हूँ, ये कोई नहीं कर रहा इंडिया इकोसिस्टम में भी. Add Oberoi as a partner.
Fair?
I'm telling you, Oberoi के properties are stunning. Their food and beverages are outstanding. And if you can figure out some partnership with them, it will be crazy.
But मेरा learning ये रहा है कि अगर कोई भी नहीं कर रहा है तो शायद problem is with Oberoi. मतलब is my guess.
Possible.
Yeah,
But I'm
मतलब-
saying, like, for example, I don't know if it's still there, but Oberoi has this membership package where you have to pay 2.5 lakh rupees. And they will give you 20 vouchers where you can use it in 20 different Oberois in the country. वो बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. The problem is only कि आप एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी में एक ही रात उसको यूज कर सकते हो. ऐसा कुछ तो उसका रिस्ट्रिक्शन है.
Perfect.
So I'm saying, like, if there could be a category play for Oberoi, I would love to stay at Oberoi's because I think all their properties are absolutely
वही है ना
stunning.
सर कि जो चीज डिफिकल्ट होती है मिलने के लिए उसका एस्पिरेशन ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है. सो आई थिंक लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट व्हिच इज आपको HSBC के सिस्टम में, इकोसिस्टम में, जैसे आपने बोला वन अपॉर्चुनिटी, व्हाट इज द थिंग दैट यू लाइक अबाउट इट द मोस्ट? व्हाट मेक्स यू टेक आउट द कार्ड एंड स्वाइप दैट कार्ड? इज इट नोइंग दैट Accor है, या लाइक व्हाट इज द थिंग दैट मोटिवेट्स यू टू यूज द HSBC इकोसिस्टम? व्हाट डू यू लाइक अबाउट द मोस्ट?
See, Accor is just one byfactor of that. I think getting the points and the number of partners that they have,
Okay.
it gives me the flexibility.
गॉट इट.
So I want to own my decisions, right? Not force कि आप यही करो.
Got it.
So that flexibility that I'm getting in this card, I think that for me is quite a value
Super
addition.
underrated. I think a lot of people who feel that they are not sure about their travel plans, because अगर जैसे Amex में लेते हो तो पता है कि मुझे Marriott पे यूज करने पे ही बेस्ट वैल्यू मिलेगा. So if you are somebody who wants that flexibility and values that flexibility, I think it's a great point. HSBC cards are among the best right now. What about you, Adil? What makes you take out the card and swipe?
यार for me it is वॉलेट ट्रांजैक्शंस के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है.
Okay,
लाइक फॉर
fair.
एग्जांपल तुम कुछ भी बोलो, कुछ ना कुछ यूपीआई का खर्चा आता ही है हर महीना.
Sure.
And for that, you want some arbitrage, right? Your arbitrage is you swipe it. Credit will charge you 2% or 2.5% as fees. I'm okay with paying that. I get 3% back. And this year, my HSBC strategy, if you think about it, is leveraged on two things. One, it's going to be Accor because of my status. And I am out of Accor points. I have exhausted all my Accor points. मेरा HSBC Premier में भी reward point balance is 0.
Sure.
Because I used up everything that I have. One for Masai Mara that I just came back. Second, I booked my trip for London. So those hotels are also booked. So now if I have to do any stays, I'm sitting on 0 HSBC points. Which means the only way I can earn Accor points is spending on this. So I will try and spend here. Also because now I have a war chest ready in Magnus Burgundy. Now I will start spending here because one, I need Accor. Two, I need Chris Flyer. Chris Flyer because of my BizBlack spends, now I have a decent chunk in BizBlack. Now next year, I have started thinking about my April holiday. Now for my April holiday, I need a substantial balance in Chris Flyer. And therefore, this will come good use.
Got it.
Along with this, the voucher spends from Infinia will give me that. But I need the three coming together. I need HSBC to come together. I need HDFC Infinia to come together. And I need the BizBlack to come together. So when they all come together as Chris Flyer, then I can do a family redemption of 4.
Got it. So-
Otherwise, I can't do a
Perfect,
family redemption
perfect,
of 4.
perfect.
So right now, my brain is only working on April 2027, for which I need Chris Flyer. And for the remainder of this year, I need Accor.
Perfect.
For which I am spending on
Perfect.
HSBC.
Flexibility, Accor and a few partners that are sweet spots. For me, it is a little bit in line of flexibility, which is no limits.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मेरे जो सपने हैं, मेरे जो plans है, data doesn't have limits, so I don't want my card to have limits, honestly. And telling me कि भाई तुम इतना ही डाल सकते हो इतने partner पे is too much of pain for me. So I was telling somebody the other day, right, that if I have a car spend coming, I would love to put
Which
on
is
Magnus
already
Burgundy.
come, no?
Which is already come. Now, if it comes on Magnus Burgundy, yes, I earn at 14%, but please remember that it's so hard to convert it to whatever I want with the 2 lakh limit or 3 lakh limit, right? I would rather have part of it on HSBC even at a lower value sometimes, right? So that is the thing I value the most. Quickly, let's move to the strategy for this year. Luckily, fingers crossed, no devaluation coming up tak hua nahi hai. I don't see anything happening majorly. Like, what is your HSBC strategy for the remaining of the year? Which cards are you adding? Which cards are you swiping? And where will you use your HSBC points? आपने partly उसको answer कर दिया, but if you can just nail it down. And what is your recommendation for anybody in a similar zone?
My strategy for this year for to gain points, because I'm sitting on 0 points right now, starting from ground zero. I'm thinking if I don't get enough Accor points, then I might start staying in other properties which are non-Accor, which are on my to-do list. Abhi filhal mein for the last 3 years, my loyalty has been with Accor.
Correct.
Simply because we had endless supply of points.
And status.
And you wanted to experience Accor also because we had not experienced it before 3 years. अब वो समझ में आ गया ecosystem and now supply constrained है, but there are other properties on your list that you want to experience, and Premier is a phenomenal opportunity to experience it because of 36%
Sure.
on Hopper. So I want to use Hopper to book rooms at boutique properties, experience those
Like
properties,
Hyatt, for example?
and
Hyatt or like something like that, Hilton, Hyatt, like what kind of properties?
so for
Or Oberoi
example,
maybe.
अभी मैं लंदन जा रहा हूँ, so there are a couple of properties in London that I want to stay at, which are non-Accor and unique brands in London itself,
Okay,
and I want to earn 36% on that.
got it.
So अभी now I am going to London for 2 weeks. मेरा 10 nights already sorted है.
Sure.
मैंने 4 रात बचा के रखी है. वो 4 रात I want to do an HSBC, and now if every month I start doing 50,000 rupees का bookings, then you know
Significant
the
amount of points you can earn.
36% मेरे को मिल जाएगा वो, which I can then use
For
for
KrisFlyer.
flights going forward,
Correct.
not for those hotels. I will stay in those hotels, but the points that I will get, I will either use to Accor my rest of the Accor play for next year, or I might move them to KrisFlyer next year.
I think
So
one of the issues
that is the plan
This is
for me.
also a very good point from a strategy lens, because one of the things I am facing an issue right now, and I'm sure a lot of people face, the access 2 lakh limit for group A partners sometimes seems
very
very
limited.
less.
Yeah.
Because आपको अगर 2 business class या 3-4
एक
business
साथ
class,
ही मिलेगा आपको.
हाँ मतलब one trip and your group A is limited and exhausted.
और इसमें और एक फायदा ये है कि अगर आप हर महीने 50,000 ही खर्चा कर रहे हो ना, तो इट बिकम्स अ लिटिल मोर डाइजेस्टेबल फ्रॉम अ कैश फ्लो परस्पेक्टिव कि हर महीने 50-50 भरेंगे इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक आपको 2 महीने मतलब 4 महीने में 2 लाख एक साथ देना है.
I think the only problem.
Keep it simple and max out the benefits every month.
But why do you not take the travel one along with that?
That's a good question.
Because Kshitij, who was there in one of our recent episode, he used a very good line for Dhimant. Oh, मैं लाइन रिपीट करता हूँ आपके साथ. वो क्षितिज बोलता है लाइफ में सबके अरमान होते हैं, लेकिन आप धीमन जैसे लोग को जब सुनते हो ना, आपके अरमान कीड़े में तब्दील होते हैं और फिर आपको वो कीड़ा वो चीज कराता है जो आपको नहीं करना चाहिए था, या आप पैशनेट हो उस बारे में.
I'll tell you
So-
one aspect of that.
Yeah.
Sorry, go on.
So my reason now is I am very, very tempted to take the Taj card.
इसको ताज में
I
बदलो
want the
ये।
Taj card because my Accor diamond is expiring this year. I am not going to be able to maintain diamond. So next year in January, I am downgraded to platinum. This is still a great status. But fear. The fear is, what if Accor devalues for whatever reason? I want to have a hedge. The hedge are in 2 directions. One, I think we may have discovered a hack to score Marriott Titanium, but that is not validated yet. Dhimant and I will be running a couple of experiments over the next couple of months to see if we can score this. अगर वो हो जाता है, great. वो नहीं होता है, तो एक बैकअप होटल लॉयल्टी स्टेटस चाहिए at the highest level. वो मेरे को HSBC ताज कार्ड, जैसे आपने बोला, पैसे भर के ले लो. दुविधा ये है कि my RM tells me that they have given me a high limit on Premier, and I will have to sacrifice a portion of the limit to get the Taj card.
Or the T1 also for that matter.
Not the T1. I've not asked him about the T1. I'm not interested in the T1. So now the question is, should I sacrifice my high limit of Premier and take the Taj card? or just say let it
No,
be.
but his
देखते हैं.
question was sorry, go ahead.
So what I was saying, so two things. Firstly, for Taj,
Yeah.
why do you not sacrifice a small limit, right?
10 लाख तो देना ही पड़ेगा
10
minimum.
लाख, अच्छा 10 लाख मिनिमम
Minimum
है,
है,
is it?
शायद.
Okay.
मे बी 5 लाख
10
पे
लाख
आ
होगा,
सकते हैं.
मे बी 2-3 लाख रुपए से बोलो मुझे तो कार्ड ही चाहिए ना, एंड यू आर गोना यूज इट ओनली फॉर बेनिफिट.
Yeah.
सो जस्ट जब हम बात इन्वेस्टमेंट की कर रहे हैं, देन डू
नहीं, because I'll tell you why, Amit. So अभी recently I did a real estate transaction, ठीक है? And वो real estate transaction में ना एक government spend था, because taxes भरने हैं आपको government के, right? और वो tax spend जो था मेरा, it had to be done in a single transaction. Okay, there was no way to split that. You will not believe. I got the IndusInd Avios card for that particular spend against this gentleman's advice. Believe it or not, that was exactly the limit that I got.
नहीं, but
तो अगर उसमें 50,000 भी कम होता ना,
समझ गया
वो गया, वो कार्ड मेरे लिए वेस्ट था.
नहीं, but Premier पे that problem is not there ना, because
Which
limit
is
तो
why
एक ही
I'm asking you guys. The decision is not made yet.
So the small-
This is a real-time discussion
Yeah.
happening here.
Just check that key if you can get a small limit on that.
Yeah.
The travel one part, what I'm saying is using that as a hedge, right? For example, मेरे को जून में जाना है. I booked a hotel on Premier
Yeah.
because I exhausted my limit. I also booked it on
Exactly.
Travel One.
मैं वो बोलना
लेकिन
था.
सर
अब मैं
उसके
क्या-
लिए स्मार्ट बाय है ना सर.
अरे आप समझो, मैं नेक्स्ट मंथ जो है, बट स्मार्ट बाय इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू 48% ऑन
Correct.
अकाउंट.
मेरे को क्रिस फ्लायर मिलेगा ना, मेरे को वो भी तो चाहिए अगले साल
so
के लिए.
okay, that way you will have to figure out. But my point, what I'm trying to do is, मैं next month जो है, in all probability that hotel room will be available. I'm going to cancel over here and I'm going to book it on my Premier card.
Got
right?
it.
तो मुझे वो कार्ड because 50,000 अगर वो नहीं हुआ by chance, then I'm still getting the room at a slightly lesser part.
Got it.
right? वहां
Got
पे
it.
मैं restrict हो गया. यहाँ पे मेरे पास flexibility
I would say rather get a T1 either for yourself or for your wife if you can.
So that I think we
It's a
should.
brilliant
Like,
idea.
get it for Sanya.
Correct.
If I can get it for Sanya, that is a brilliant recommendation.
Exactly, because
then
sir,
there is
आप
more
London-
room to wriggle.
आप लंदन का एक होटल बुक करोगे, आपका 18,000 एक ही ट्रांजेक्शन में खत्म हो जाएगा.
नहीं, so that is a great suggestion. That I agree.
You should do that. Go ahead. Second question was that, like, for people who are new to the HSBC ecosystem,
Yeah.
what is your recommendation for them, especially from a strategy lens? Like, how do they play the ecosystem?
मेरे हिसाब से सिंपल है. अगर आपकी सैलरी 1 से 1.5 लाख के बीच में है, आइस क्लोज टेक ट्रैवल वन, इट शुड बी योर फर्स्ट क्रेडिट कार्ड. I don't think you should go the HDFC way, Axis way, or any other
Sure.
way. Simply because, one, you will start to experience the benefits of miles. You're not going to be tempted to burn that as cash. आप जब ट्रांसफर करोगे ना, एंड जब व्हेन यू गेट अ लिटिल अनकंफर्टेबल कि इसको यहाँ से यहाँ घुमाना है, फिर बुक करना है, टैक्सेस अलग भरने हैं, देन यू विल स्टार्ट, योर माइंड स्टार्ट्स डेवलपिंग कि व्हाट आर द यूनिक पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ ऑप्टिमाइजिंग एंड स्कोरिंग समथिंग दैट आई वुड हैव नेवर पेड कैश फॉर.
Perfect. Travel one.
I think like get the travel one if you're in that range. You've already gotten the cat out of the bag. If your salary is 3 lakhs or above, net crediting in your
Get the
bank, get the
Premier,
Premier, no brainer. For all of you who want to spend on luxury hospitality in India, get the Taj card.
Perfect. Aligned. आपका strategy बताओ. Especially you mentioned this current strategy that you're running, which is basically saying कि you're using Hopper and booking 18%, etc. So how are you going to think about your strategy for the remaining of the year? Like,
So I'm planning a trip for Europe. Okay. So I'm not going to burn primarily on Accor, right? I want to use it for the airline partners, and that's why I'm building up the stack.
Sure.
Earning is one is Hopper, the other, as I told, is Forex, right? Forex spend पे monthly खर्चा हमारा है अच्छा खासा.
Sure.
So use the travel one for Forex spends and earn from there as well. And use all of these points to transfer to a transfer partner, an airline partner. जो deal चल रही होगी, maybe we get some promo as well. So to burn the points over there and then book the trip. So that's what my strategy for the
Got it.
remaining year is.
यार मेरा strategy थोड़ा weird है, and again I'm a little confused, and again would love if you guys can also have a chip in. So what I am currently doing is I generally use only my 1 lakh exclusion limit on HSBC Premier. मैं बाकी कोई कार्ड के लिए I don't use my HSBC Premier. So 3,000 पॉइंट मिल जाता है by default. वो 6,000 वर्थ ऑफ अकॉर है या एयरलाइन पार्टनर है, whatever, doesn't matter. So मेरा earning on the HSBC ecosystem is pretty low right now. Okay, so it's restricted to 3,000 to 4,000 points a month because I don't use Hopper much, not because maybe that spends are not there, right? Secondly, I also feel that every time I try to take out Premier, मुझे हमेशा दिख जाता है कोई और कार्ड कि something better than that.
24% मिलेगा travel edge
Exactly,
पे.
exactly.
Yeah.
Travel edge is there. Then you have MX.
अगर AP month में हो तो that is obvious.
Exactly. So for me that has been a challenge. So what I'm thinking at least is कि यार चलते रहो, keep the card because the
और
card
हम लोग लोकल बुकिंग्स के लिए अभी वी आर यूजिंग एयर इंडिया, राइट? सो 10x मिल रहा है ऑन एमेक्स फ्लैट
Yeah.
चार्ज. सो दैट हैज बिकम लाइक डोमेस्टिक ट्रैवल के लिए
Exactly.
द गो टू कार्ड.
See, the thing is, आपको वो कार्ड कुछ कॉस्ट नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है? बाकी कार्ड्स की एक कॉस्ट है एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू, यू आर गेटिंग द बेनिफिट्स एंड
That's what
ट्राइंग
I'm
टू मेंटेन
thinking.
इट.
That's what I'm thinking.
प्रीमियर आपने रखा हुआ है एज अ बैकअप कार्ड की यार, जहां ये नहीं चला. सी वी आर हैविंग बैकअप कार्ड फॉर मल्टीपल पर्पसेस. आज नहीं है, कल कब कहां पे क्या कार्ड काम आएगा, यू नेवर नो.
एग्जैक्टली.
But मेरा-
इसके लिए परफेक्ट कार्ड.
Exactly, यार मेरे को लगता है कि इसीलिए I feel that one of the suggestions or inputs that I have for HSBC is for any card there should be that one sweet spot where I only use this card. That stickiness is not there for me for HSBC.
बट 1
Premier.
लाख रुपीस का है ना इनिशियल.
Exactly,
हाँ,
and that is what I'm saying कि they may not like that. Because they want you to spend beyond that as well, right? तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि one good partnership, like Dyson is a great example. But आप कितनी बार Dyson खरीदोगे, right? एक बार, 2 बार.
I believe they're also, over the past couple of years we have seen कि brands are also watching us on social media. तो वो एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं कि क्या आता है. Now, because if you look at what HSBC trying to do, they partnered with Taj, right? एक luxury पे डाला है, and Dyson is again from electronics perspective it is at a certain level. This shows कि वो किस audience को target करना चाह रहे हैं. They also have some events planned. I have been told it happens in Mumbai, which premier customers get invited
Yeah,
to, right?
yeah.
Haven't yet got the invite, but I'm expecting. So एक specific audience को वो target कर रहे हैं, and they're testing the water to see कि क्या उसका reaction आता है, क्या निकल के आता है. So my belief is, that they are going to do. अच्छा, when you said कि they're not partnered, actually they have partnered a lot. I'll tell you where.
Sure.
District app के ऊपर we took
अरे,
Karan Aujla की
brilliant.
tickets,
Brilliant.
right? We had the
Yeah.
first privilege to get that, and secondly मुझे call आता है जैसे relatives में, because you have HSBC यार IPL के tickets book
That's a good
करनी
one,
है,
that's a good
करनी
one,
है.
yeah.
So actually में they have partnered
Correct.
and they are giving you advantage कि आप आओ यहाँ पे पहले book करो.
Concerts, IPL teams. I think the way similarly how KPI is also doing, there are certain teams they have tied up with. That's a great point. I actually feel that's a great point because till the time they don't have gift vouchers, my repetitive purchases are not happening on HSBC. So another one is Book My Show, right? जो आप use करते हो या district use करते हो, those are the ones. Maybe have some grocery tie-ups, like few things where I feel.
I think वाउचर आ गया तो सब सॉल्व हो जाएगा.
voucher.
Simple.
But vouchers का I think in general I think it's overall the vouchers category itself is in a devaluation phase.
I don't know why, because I may not have explored it that much. I think they have a voucher portal.
Yeah, they have. No
But it
multipliers.
is not giving the rewards
No
as
multipliers.
accelerated.
No
उनको
multipliers.
basic 3% वाले reward मिलता है.
Correct,
You're not
correct.
getting accelerated reward.
Correct.
That's the-
Accelerator के बिना तो इसका दिमाग खुलता ही नहीं है.
That is what this points and miles show is all about, right?
अब है तो है, जो है यही है.
So cool. I think that's largely the HSBC
yeah.
ecosystem for
See,
this year.
that's it. That's largely the HSBC special, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. Big thank you, Amit, for coming all the way. Adarniya Dhimanji, thank you for being there. And with that, we'll call it a wrap. Thank you for joining in for the HSBC special on the Great Indian Points and Miles show. We're on YouTube, Instagram. Follow us. Follow EPM also. And with that, we'll call it a wrap. Thank you. Bye-bye.